Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix connection timeout error using multi PHP INI editor in cPanel for website or domain. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel and we are going to fix connection timeout error. Now you see multi PHP INI editor. So click on it. So we are in multi PHP INI editor and then you see configure PHP INI basic setting. You see multiple option and then you see maximum execution time. So you can increase this time to fix connection timeout error in domain or website. So you can do this setting for WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now you see 300. So you can increase 400, 500, 180. It's up to you. So when you make changes in multi PHP INI editor, so these changes will be saved in .htaccess file. So you can add changes and then click on apply and your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.